Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Rogue. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, power brakes, power sunroof. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, backup camera, leather trim seats, heated seats, electronic messaging assistance, auxiliary audio input, push-button start, cruise control, electroluminescent instrumentation. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.